In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo and redo in Photoshop. Now, it's basically an option to redo something or to undo something to go back and start something over. So it's really easy to do, and I'm just going to use this as an example. So let's say you just have a square and you want to try and color it in. So I'm just going to select a brush here, and I'm just going to start to color it in. You go and you're doing your thing, but you realize that you messed up, that you made a mistake, that you went outside the line. So what you can do, if you're on a Apple or a MacBook or anything like that, you can hit Command Z, and that will undo your previous work. So I can just keep on doing this and just hit Command Z if I want to go back and restart that step, just in case you mess something up. So I can just hit Command Z to undo it. Now to redo it, it's another hotkey. It's really easy to do. So what you would want to do is push and hold Shift, Command, and then Z. And what that's going to do is bring back all of those other things that you did, and that way you can go back and forth to undo and redo your mistakes, or just in case you wanted to redo something. So another way to do that is to actually go up here, and I'll just make a quick stroke here and go to Edit, and then you'll see the option here for Undo Brush Tool, and right next to it you'll see the hotkey that I just pressed. So that's a really quick way to do it. So I'll just hit Undo, and then I can go back up to Edit, and now the Redo Brush Tool would be there just to redo the actual action that you just undid. So I'll just hit that, and it comes back. So that it's a very simple way to look at it right here, but that is basically how you use the undo and redo option in Photoshop. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.